Okay, the last one, number 13. There's a number of ways you can do this. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to focus on, how we're going to rewrite the denominator's expression. So we'll kind of not worry about the fact it's in the denominator right now. Okay. And let's just try and simplify. Let's just pull it out. Again, we'll extract it again, just to pull it out and just to see what we can do to simplify it on its own. Right? So I've got the fourth root of r squared s to the third power. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the root in terms of a fractional exponent. So I'll put parentheses around r squared s cubed, and I'll write this to the 1/4 power. Remember, whatever the root is, that's the denominator of your fraction exponent. Okay, so now since I have a superpower out here, remember the superpower is distributed to both the exponents, or both the terms that are in the parentheses. So I'll multiply them together, and I'll get r 2 times 1/4 will be 1/2, okay. And s 3 times 1/4 will be s to the 3/4 power. Okay? So now let's remember that this expression was in the denominator. So if it's in the denominator, what type of exponent should it have when I'm rewriting it? So then for my final answer, I'll just write a and s. Okay? The 5's in the numerator, and there's nothing I need to do with him, so I'll just bring him down. And I'll put the r, and I have the 1/2 power, but because it was from the denominator, it's going to be negative. So r is the negative 1/2, and same thing with s. Okay? S is 3/4, but since it was in the denominator also, it is negative. Alright, so my answer here is 5r to the negative 1/2, s to the negative 3/4. Again, let's revisit what we did. We have negative exponents because both these expressions were in the denominator, so they have to have negative exponents. The other thing that we did is we just extracted just the fourth root of r squared s cubed. We rewrote the radical in terms of a fractional exponent. Whatever the root is, that's the denominator of the exponent. We have a superpower, so we distribute it. And 2 times 1/4 is 1/2. 3 times 1/4 is 3/4. And then that's how I got the fractional exponents here. And that's what your answer would be if you rewrote this expression using exponents. And there you go.